Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the compound. This is a Fischer projection of 2,3-dichloropentane, CH3, CHCl, CHCl, C2H5. C2 has substituents CH3, up top, C3 chain, down bottom, H, left, Cl, right. C3 has C2 chain, up, C2H5, down, Cl, left, H, right. Moving on to the next step. Recall Fischer projection convention. Horizontal bonds point toward the viewer, wedge, vertical bonds point away, dash. Moving on to the next step. Assign configuration at C2. Substituents at C2, Cl, CH3, as part of chain going up is equal to toward C1 is equal to CH3, the chain going down, C3 and C2H5, H, priority order, Cl C3 carbon, attached to Cl, H, C2H5, C2, CH3H. Actually, priorities. 1. Cl, highest. 2. C3, carbon-bearing Cl, H, C2H5. 3. CH3, carbon-bearing H, H, H. 4. H, lowest. In the Fischer projection at C2, Cl is on the right, toward viewer, H is on the left, toward viewer, CH3 is up, away, C3 chain is down, away. With H, lowest priority, pointing toward the viewer, left horizontal, we must invert the rotation. Arranging 1, Cl right, 2, C3 down, 3, CH3 up going from Cl right, C3 down, CH3 up, is equal to clockwise is equal to R. But H is toward viewer, so invert, as C2 configuration is equal to S. And for the final step, assign configuration at C3. Substituents at C3, Cl, left, toward viewer, H, right, toward viewer, C2 chain, up, away, C2H5, down, away. Priorities. 1. Cl, highest. 2. C2 carbon, bearing Cl, H, CH3. 3. C2H5, CH to CH3, carbon bearing H, H, CH3. 4. H, lowest. H is on the right, toward viewer. Arrange remaining Cl, left, C2 up, C2H5, down. Rotation from Cl, left, C2 up, C2H5, down left to up to down is equal to counterclockwise is equal to S. Since H is toward viewer, invert, R, C3 configuration is equal to R, result is to S3R. Why other options fail? A. 2R3S, incorrect assignment at both centers. C. 2S3S, C3 is R, not S. D. 2R3R, C2 is S, not R. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.